Okay, so now we can get started on our code. So we're going to start with the directionals of the platform. And for that, you want to drag an events block, one green flag clicked, and a forever block. And then you want to get two if-then blocks. So what this will do is forever check if something's happening. And in this case, it'll be if a key is being pressed. So you want to get to sensing and drag two key space press blocks. And you want to change them to right arrow and left arrow. So now once you've done that, you want to go up to motion, and you want to, for right arrow, you want to change X by 5 always, since that'll make it go right. And then for left arrow, you do the same thing, but change X by -5, so it goes left. So now we've gotten our directionals done, and let me show you how that looks. So now I'm pressing the left and right arrows to make it move. So now I can program my ball. So here, we want it to be always checking if it's touching sprite 1. So we're going to drag a forever block, and then there's a block called repeat until, which we're also going to drag, and also an if then block. So what we're going to say is we're going to repeat until touching sprite 1, which should be right here. You want to repeat until touching sprite 1. You want to keep on moving it down, right? That's how the game works. So what you're going to do is change Y by -10, which will keep on moving it down until sprite 1 has touched it. And then you're going to go back to sensing and say, if touching sprite 1, then you want it to glide up back. So then there's a block called glide 1 seconds, and it gives you an X and Y coordinate. You want to pick that one. And make sure you don't pick this one. You want to pick the one under that actually gives you coordinates. See, you want to keep your Y position the same always, since that's the height, but you want to change your X position. So we're going to keep our Y position the same, and X goes to pick a random number to make the game harder, so it doesn't keep on bouncing up and down. So you can just test it then. So like that should be the furthest left it should go, which is an X -191. Let's change that to X 177. So those are numbers. So this will make it, when touching sprite 1, it'll glide up to a random X position in the same Y position, and then it'll just repeat this again. So what will happen, it's like that. Okay, so here, let me show you that again. So now it'll always keep on bouncing. Okay, that concludes part 2 of this video. Thank you.